Hi everyone, and welcome back to my home office. The holidays have just recently concluded, and look what we got as a gift. So today, we will be unboxing the Nintendo Switch OLED. The package comes with the Joy-Cons, the unit itself, an HDMI to HDMI cable, the USB-C power cable, the handle, let me know what these are called, and the Joy-Con straps for when you want to have two-player mode. Lastly, we have the dock that will allow us to connect to an external display. Looking at the unit, we have the USB port below for charging. Up top, we have the power button, volume rockers, headphone jack, and the game card slot. The speakers are on the bottom left and right of the device. And lastly, behind the kickstand is the micro SD card slot. I really like how this kickstand is made as it goes almost the entire length of the device, providing more stability. I think the older models have a more narrow kickstand. Let's set up the device real quick. Taking a close look at the accessories, I didn't realize that they come with a Joy-Con strap. This allows each player to still have those L1 and R1 shoulder buttons. It also has a strap that you can wrap around your wrists, probably for games that involve a lot of moving. It also has a lock to ensure that the Joy-Cons themselves don't slide out. I would say that this handle is not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it's much better than holding on to the entire device as you are playing. The unit also came with this Nintendo Sports belt bag, I think. Nice freebie. Another accessory I had to get was a carrying case. It has a nice soft texture on the inside with 10 card slots and the recessed portion for the Joy-Cons. Setting up the dock is pretty straightforward. If you remove the panels, you will see slots for the AC adapter, HDMI out, and LAN. Just simply connect the cables and you should be good to go. I love how they have this nice slot on the side for cable management. Now for the games, I got Mario Kart, Bomberman for my childhood nostalgia, Super Smash Bros, and Diablo 3. Let me know in the comments what games you recommend. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like this. And as always, I'll see you back in my home office.